mga pamana ng ating kultura. Mula magulang sa anak hanggang sa susunod pang henerasyon. Sa paglipas ng panahon, sa tahanan at sa ating pakikitungo sa kapwa, nabubuo ang mga katangiang ating pinahahalagahan. Mga katangiang humuhubog sa ating pagkatao at sa ating pagiging Pilipino. Mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
Kayang magiliw, telas na sinanganan, alam ng puso, sa dibdib mo'y buhay. Lupang hinirang, tuyag ka ng magiting, sa manluluping, di ka pasisigil, sa nagatak tutok sa simoy at sa langit mong pagkaw, ay hinagang tulad, awit sa paglayang minamahal. Ang isang ng matawad mo'y tagumpay na nagdinig, ang bituin at araw niya kailan pa may di magdidinig. Luman ang araw ng walhaging pagsinta, buhay ay langit sa piling mo. Ang inigaya na pagkay mga amin, ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.
This is GMA DZBB Channel 7, a commercial TV station with 100,000-watt transmitting power. Authorized under station license number BSD-0356-2022 REN. Issued by the National Telecommunications Commission, valid until December 31, 2025. GMA studios are located at the GMA Complex, EDSA, Corner Timog Avenue, Diliman, Quezon City, Republic of the Philippines. The GMA transmitter station is located at Barangay Culyat, Tandangsora, Quezon City. GMA engineering is headed by Elvis B. Ancheta, Professional Electronics Engineer number 897. GMA transmission personnel is composed of electronics engineers, electronics technicians, and first-class radio operators with licenses issued by the Professional Regulation Commission and the National Telecommunications Commission. Ricardo L. Cabral, Professional Electronics Engineer number 92. Erwin R. Timbre, Electronics Engineer number 3650. Joel M. Agu, Electronics Engineer number 40727. Bonnie Ray A. Ulan, Electronics Engineer number 47499. Jonathan G. Salvo, Electronics Engineer number 19705. Chester Luis C. Banzuela, Electronics Engineer number 59014. Louis O. Chapeco, Electronics Engineer number 15586. Romeo S. Villena Jr., Electronics Engineer number 27179. Ralph T. Palma, Electronics Engineer number 29315. Rodrigo P. Quizon Jr., Professional Electronics Engineer number 875. Eric D. Kalaykay, Electronics Engineer number 26010. Ryan Jesus I. Zapanta, Electronics Engineer number 41636. Christian C. Cordobes, Electronics Engineer number 46636. Jefferson V. Dahilo, Electronics Engineer number 24515. Robert D. Santos, Electronics Engineer number 27671. Mamerto D. Logroño Jr., Electronics Engineer number 28729. Celestino A. Vega Jr., Electronics Engineer number 19182. Cecilio III R. Sanchez, Electronics Engineer number 76884. RVP Cariaga, Electronics Technician number 603. Ronald Christian P. Portugal, Electronics Technician number 26852. Danilo A. Mapula Jr., Electronics Technician number 28778. Inocencio Robert D. Maniago, 95-1PMCR-15029. Arnel V. Aricheta, 93-1PNCR-6617. Nathaniel F. Santiago, 11-1PHN-26421. Manuel B. Relion, 99-1PNCR-21589. Junie D. Sioson, 95-1PVI-12771. Lucas B. Caminade, 95-1PXI-12654. All programs telecast on this station have been approved by the Movie and Television Review and Classification Board. Seen via satellite in 52 stations nationwide. Luzon, GMA 7 Manila, TV 7 Batanes, TV 5 Ilocos Norte, TV 48 Ilocos Sur, TV 7 Abra, TV 7 Tuguegarao, TV 13 Apari, TV 5 Mountain Province, TV 7 Isabela, TV 10 Benguet, TV 5 Baler, TV 10 Olongapo, TV 12 Batangas, TV 44 Hanahala Rizal, TV 13 Occidental Mindoro, TV 12 Puerto Princesa Palawan, TV 6 Brooks Point Palawan,